In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the gray or black screen in Discord. Now first you want to make sure you close down Discord completely. So come down here, right click on it, close it, or you can Ctrl-Alt-Delete, open up the task manager. And here, let's open this. Find Discord in here and make sure that it's closed. Then after you've done that, what you need to do is press Windows key R to open up Run, search for %app data %, press OK, find the Discord and delete this one. After you delete it, go to app data, local, find Discord again and delete this one as well. Now after you've deleted these, what you're gonna do is you're gonna close it, go to Google, and then what you want to do is uninstall Discord. So go to apps right here, uninstall Discord, and then on your Google you want to reinstall Discord again and then see if it works. Now if you had a Discord bot in your Discord folder somewhere, let's go here, you will have something called package.json somewhere in here. If you delete that one, this can also help solve your issue. So try both of these things. Now I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.